Hey, it's the Captain, and this is my old school RuneScape Ironman quest guide for Waterfall Quest. Items required are a rope, a spade, 6 air runes, 6 water runes, 6 earth runes, and some food. Quest is started in a house northwest of Ardoin. Rope is acquired from Ned in Draenor Village. To start the quest, talk to Almira. Choose option 2, How can I help? Click on the raft behind her house. Talk to Hudson. Now click Swim to Rock. Go to the big house directly north of you. Talk to Hadley and go through all the dialogue options. Climb up the staircase. Search the bookcases until you find a book on Boraxian. Left click on the book in order to read it. Now you have to head to Tree Gnome Village. If you completed the Tree Gnome Village quest, you can use the Grand Tree and the Grand Exchange in order to teleport to Tree Gnome Village. If not, then you will have to walk to Tree Gnome Village. It is located southwest of Ardoin. See you there. Now you have to go through the gnome maze. I will show you how to do it starting in the northwest corner. Climb down the ladder marked by the red exclamation point on your map. Head to the eastern room. Search the crate that is colored different than all the other crates. You should get a key. Now head to the western room. Use the key you got on the door in the room. Talk to Golrai and he will give you Galiral's Pebble. Now you must head to Galiral's tomb. It is located east of the house where you started the quest. Bank all of your combat gear that you have before going there. If you are walking, I would suggest to do this in Ardoin. See you there. Drop the runes outside the tomb. Then use Galiral's Pebble on the tomb. Head to the room to the west. Try and aggro a low-level monster in order to avoid the moss giant hits. Search the chest to find Galiral's amulet. Now head to the southern room. Search Galiral's tomb. Now climb up the ladder in order to leave the cave. Pick up the runes. Now head to the house to the west that you started the quest at. Walk through the house and click on the raft in the back. Use the rope on the rock. Now use the rope on the tree. Open ledge. Go to the eastern room. Search the center top crate. Now head over to the western room. Run past the fire giants, trying to avoid getting hit, and use the key on the door on the other side. Pick the key up off the ground and use it on the second door. Use an air rune, earth rune, and water rune on each of the altars. Only one rune of each type on each altar. Now use Glariel's necklace on the statue of Glariel. Finally, use the urn on the chalice. Congratulations, you have completed Waterfall Quest.